Today I am going to show you that how I weathered my HO scale WALTHER'S Cornerstone floor mill right now. Hello and welcome to my channel HO Universe and Dioramas. I am Ashim and you are watching my model railroad. Friends, how are you? I think you are all doing well. Today I am here with again another very interesting chapter. Today I am going to weather my HO scale WALTHER'S Cornerstone floor mill. I think you already watched my last episode. I demonstrate that how I assembled my WALTHER'S Cornerstone HO scale floor mill. If you still not watch that, just click on this I button and you will get it. And obviously I will attach the link of that particular video at the end screen of this episode. Friends, today I am going to weather that HO scale WALTHER'S Cornerstone floor mill. I will not going for any kind of heavy weathering, but I will create some minute difference and detailings. Hope you will enjoy that, and if you want to weather yours one, I think this video will help you a lot. And so friends, don't skip a single portion of this video. You will understand that how you can able to easily weather your buildings. And obviously, if you are first time in my channel, please subscribe my channel and push the bell icon on so that when I will upload another new video, you will get the fastest notification. So friends, let's don't waste our time. Go towards our workbench. Let's go. This is where we left off in the previous episode. And today our new journey will start from here. But before that, I must show you something. Yes, as I am making an Indian model railroad, so I have changed the signboard of this floor mill. I named it Bharat Floor Kong and it's perfectly going with my project. And now it's time to start our weathering. So let's start from the wet pulley hanging from the top roof edge. And I will use this acrylic paint burnt sienna for it. So friends, let's start. As you can see that I have finished my weathering job for this wet pulley, and now I will go for the top roof painting. I will start from this top roof room. I will first weather these grills and the base of the grills with some rusty color acrylic paints, and it will create some rusty look. That's actually we saw in our various building, that is due to the heavy rainfall or anything. So I'm using just acrylic paint burnt sienna, and then I am using just a earbud to smudge the excessive color. You can see just I am literally doing something that will create a normal and natural look of rust water effect. Just I am making some overline effects on the base of the windows, and then few burnt sienna straight lines to create some water rust effect on the wall. It's not tough and it's fun, friends. Hope you can see it, that how I am making the entire rust effect through the entire windows. and like this I will make all the windows in the same process. I think you can understand that what I want to make. And after that I will start weathering my corrugated shade, and for that first I will apply masking tape. Let's have a good look. After masking the desired area, it is time for the rust pigments, and I made these rust pigments by myself. And yes, if you want to make this type of rust pigments by yourself, then just click on the I button. You will get the video I made few days ago. So friends, now with a small earbud I will apply the rust. Let's have a look. You see, I am not applying the rust throughout the entire surface. I am just smudging with this earbud in the areas or the edges of the masking tape, and it will create the illusion. Watch carefully and you will understand that what I want to make. See friends, the perfect rust tinge what I want to make is this. And after making this side, I will go for the other side corrugated sheet, and I will make that the same way and the same process. Let's go. And rusting of corrugated shade, the both sides finished. Now it is time for the stacks. I will apply gently the pigment with the finger on the 3 stacks and then smudge with the earbud gently. It's basically the base coat of the rusting effect. I will apply on 3 stacks with the same process, and you can see that the pigments is adhere perfectly. Just you have to make a random rusting effect throughout the entire body of the stacks, and I will create a base rusting coat first. So this is the result you can see at the basic, and now I am just making the water effect at the base of the stacks. It's also very necessary. It's a very good detailings, and the pipings, it also needs little bit weathering, so I am doing that. So friends, it's a very fun thing, you can see it. And now it is a time for these balconies and the through ladder. I will rust it, and for that I am using this foam piece. It's a magical apparatus, just this small foam piece and some burnt sienna acrylics, and just have to touch the railings of the balcony and the ladder vigorously, and it will create a perfect rusting effect throughout the base color. And yes, I am very happy with the effect. You can see the effects. It's perfect rusting effects coming through the entire subject. And after that I will go for the coloring and weathering of this platform. I will start with black. But friends, this time you don't need any finishing, high finishing. Rather, you should do it as bad as you can do. and then the magic will create. Let's have a look. After that, I will go for the pigments. This is the pigment I will apply throughout the entire surface to create something very dusty and dirty. Just have to apply vigorously. You have to apply throughout the entire platform area like this. You see already a dusty and a very used platform shade is coming out down. Then you have to brush out the excess. And yes friends, the result is in front of you. A highly used dusty platform shade, and I am very happy with this effect. And the same process I have applied for all the staircases of this building. You can see that this is the right side staircase, and it's already looking very nice with the rust effect and also the dust and other darts that are coming out from the subjects. I am highly impressed with this effect, and the same process I applied at the opposite side stairs. These stairs are already finished. Now it's time for other things. Let's go towards that. And yes, it is time for to create some dusty and dirty effect throughout the entire base of the building, and for that I will use a trick, this white Fevicryl and this special pigment. I made it with the 50% white pigment and 50% black pigment. Just mix them and create this ash colored dirty things, and you need these two type of brush. And the trick starts with the white acrylic. You have to apply the white acrylic throughout the desired area of the base, and just after applying that you have to apply the pigments very fast, very soon, so that the acrylic should not dry out. And this will create some very dirty and dusty look of the base of the building. Friends, it's not very tough, it's easy, and easily you can achieve your goal. Can you see the dusty and dirty look of the base? This is the process by which you can also create dusty and dirty look on any building. So friends, I think you got the clue or the secrecy of the trick. This is the way I made the entire dirty base of the building. You just need few minutes to create this dirt and dust. And with this dust effect, I have finished my today's project. As I already spoke before, that I am not going for heavy weathering. I don't want to make any ugly building. And friends, this is my weathered floor mail. I think it's not bad at all. How was the journey, friends? Hope you all enjoyed this video. Very soon I am coming with another new video, another new episode, and obviously if you have any question, please comment on the comment section. I will answer as soon as possible. And also tell me how you weather your model railroad accessories and what the apparatus and things you use for that. And friends, if you like this video, please give me a like and also share my videos. I think it's enough for today. So friends, have a good day. Bye bye.